Hello and welcome back, students. Welcome back to Vision Academy. So today is day 22 of Invincible free course for BBA, BBM, BMS and BCA. अगर आप तैयारी कर रहे हैं MHCET 2025 की, जिसमें आप BBA, BCA के लिए अटेम्प्ट करने वाले हैं, या फिर अगर आप CUET अंडर ग्रेजुएट जनरल टेस्ट पेपर 3 के लिए तैयारी करें, सो दिस लेक्चर इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी यूजफुल बिकॉज हम आज पढ़ने जा रहे हैं GK एंड GK में जिस टॉपिक आज हम कवर अप करेंगे दैट इज जनरल अवेयरनेस. So we'll be covering general awareness. इसके पहले और 4 lectures हो चुके. If you have missed that lectures, तो I'll request you to please go back and watch those lectures as well because बहुत ज़्यादा important lectures हैं. So definitely आप लोग जाके उसको भी watch ज़रूर करिएगा. बढ़ते हैं हमारे lecture की तरफ. सबसे पहली चीज़ है कि व्हाट्सएप और टेलीग्राम को ज्वाइन नहीं किया तो व्हाट्सएप और टेलीग्राम को ज्वाइन कर लीजिएगा. साथ में चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब भी कर दीजिएगा. बढ़ते हैं लेक्चर की तरफ. तो यहाँ पे एक अपडेट आप लोगों के लिए कि हमने ऑलरेडी जीके एंड करंट अफेयर्स बंडल 2.0 को रोल आउट करना शुरू कर दिया है. तो एनरोलमेंट्स ओपन है, आप इसको एनरोल कर सकते हैं. 199 रुपीज़ में आप एनरोल कर सकते हैं. ये क्यूआर कोड आपको दिया गया है, क्यूआर कोड को आप स्कैन कर सकते हैं या फिर ये दिए गए लिंक के ऊपर आप जाके पेमेंट कर सकते हैं. ओके, यू कैन फिल अप द फॉर्म एंड डू द पेमेंट सो दैट यू कैन एनरोल इट. और ये आपको हर 2 से 3 दिन में एक पीडीएफ आपको सेंड होता रहेगा, जिसमें आपको अक्टूबर से लेके जब तक आपका एग्ज़ाम नहीं होता अप्रॉक्सीमेटली अप टिल अप्रैल आपको सारे करंट अफेयर्स मिलते रहेंगे. साथ में बहुत सारे जीके के वर्कशीट्स एंड नोट्स भी मिलने वाले हैं आपको. सो दीज ऑल थिंग्स यू विल बी गेटिंग इन 200 रुपीज़. तो डेफिनेटली अगर अभी तक आपने नहीं लिया है सो यू कैन डेफिनेटली बाय दिस थिंग सो दैट यू कैन प्रिपेयर रियली वेल फॉर योर जीके एंड द जनरल अवेयरनेस. जो आपका सेक्शन है उसके लिए आप बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से प्रिपेयर आप कर सकें. ओके, सो लिंक ओपन वैसे अगर आप करेंगे तो कुछ ऐसा आपको पेज नज़र आएगा जहाँ पे आपको सिंपली ये फॉर्म को फिल आउट कर देना है और पेमेंट में प्रोसीड करना है. यू कैन ईजिली डू द पेमेंट एंड यू कैन प्रोसीड विथ योर एनरोलमेंट विद द GK and the current affairs bundle. You will receive a WhatsApp notification and confirmation as well. Okay, moving ahead. अभी हमारे पास में 126th क्वेश्चन है बिकॉज 125 क्वेश्चंस अभी तक हो चुके हैं हमारे. सो द 126th क्वेश्चन सेज दैट which was the first artificial satellite launched into orbit. सो फर्स्ट आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट कौन सा था जिसको ऑर्बिट में लॉन्च किया गया था? एक्सप्लोरर 1, वॉस्टॉक 1, स्पुतनिक 1 या फिर अपोलो 8? राइट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन इज आंसर्स ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन सी, स्पुतनिक 1. स्पुतनिक 1 was the first artificial satellite to be launched into the orbit. इसके बारे में कुछ और भी इंफॉर्मेशन को जान लेते हैं. कब ये लॉन्च किया गया था? It was launched on October 4, 1854 by Soviet Union. Okay, it was launched by Soviet Union, that is Russia. Okay, the Earth's first artificial satellite, Sputnik 1. The successful launch came as a shock to experts and citizens in the United States who had hoped that the United States would accomplish the scientific advancement first. Okay, so it came as a shock because US always thought कि वो पहले होंगे जो कि करेंगे, but it was the Russia who made it first on October 4, 1957. सो ये डेट भी बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, आप याद ज़रूर रखिएगा. बढ़ते हैं आगे. फर्स्ट मैन्ड स्पेस व्हीकल वॉज. फर्स्ट मैन्ड स्पेस व्हीकल वॉज वॉस्टॉक 1, अपोलो 11, अपोलो 8 और एक्सप्लोरर 1. राइट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन इज वॉस्टॉक 1. Once again, this was done by the Soviet Union. Okay, so Yuri Gagarin आप सभी लोग जानते होंगे, was the first man to go in the space. Okay, so from Soviet Union was the first human in space. His vehicle was Vostok 1, circled Earth at a speed of 27,400 kilometers per hour, and the flight lasting 108 minutes. So the flight lasted for 108 minutes. Vostok's re-entry was controlled by a computer. First Asian woman, okay, first Asian woman to swim across the English Channel was, okay, who was the first Asian woman जो कि इंग्लिश चैनल को जिसने स्विम किया था? बुला चौधरी, आरती साहा, संतोष यादव और none of the above. Right answer to this question is answer, that is option B, Aarti Saha. So Aarti Saha was the first woman from Asia, or we can say from India, to swim the English Channel. So it was done on the September 29, 1959. Okay, long back ago. So September 29, 1959, and the first Asian woman to swim across the English Channel. She was also awarded with Padma Shri in 1960. Okay, she has been awarded with Padma Shri in 1960, and she became the first Indian sportswoman to win the prestigious award. Moving ahead to the next question, first Indian woman to summit Mount Everest was? Who was the first Indian woman who completed the summit of Mount Everest? फर्स्ट इंडियन वुमन, ये सब इसका आंसर सबको पता होना चाहिए. संतोष यादव, बचेंद्री पाल, बुला चौधरी और नन ऑफ द अबव. राइट आंसर टू दिस इज ऑप्शन बी, बचेंद्री पाल. राइट, सबको पता ही होगा बचेंद्री पाल. ओके, born on May 24, 1954, Indian mountaineer, in 1984 became the first Indian woman to reach the summit of the Mount Everest. Next question, who was the first woman to conquer Everest twice? फर्स्ट वुमन जिसने एवरेस्ट पे 2 बार समिट कंप्लीट किया, लाइक चढ़ाई 2 बार की. ओके, हु कंप्लीटेड एंड कॉन्कर्ड माउंट एवरेस्ट ट्वाइस? आरती साहा, जंको ताबी, बशेंद्री पाल, संतोष यादव. राइट आंसर टू दिस इज ऑप्शन डी, संतोष यादव. So Santosh Yadav was the first woman. Okay, she was the first woman to climb Mount Everest twice. First, she reached on May 10, 1992, and again next year, May 23, 1993. So, in the consecutive 2 years, she covered or climbed Mount Everest twice. Next question. First Indian woman to swim across 7 seas of the world was? Who was the first Indian woman? Okay, first Indian woman बताना है जिसने वर्ल्ड के 7 सीज को स्विम किया था. बुला चौधरी, आरती साहा, बचेंद्री पाल और none of the above. Right answer to this is option A, Bula Chaudhary. Okay, so Bula Chaudhary was the first Indian woman to swim across the 7 seas. Okay, which included Strait of Gibraltar, the Tyrrhenian Sea, Cook Strait, the Tyrannus Gulf of Greece, the Catalina Channel of the California, and the passage between the Three Anchor Bay and Robben Island near Cape Town, South Africa. Okay, she has also been awarded with the Arjuna Award and Padma Shri Award. Moving ahead to the next one. Who was the first Indian woman to cross English Channel twice? English Channel क्रॉस करने वाली कौन सी इंडियन वुमेन है जिसने 2 बार उसको क्रॉस किया है? बुला चौधरी, बचेंद्री पाल, आरती साहा और none of the above. The right answer to that is option A, once again Bula Chaudhary. Bula Chaudhary has been the one Indian woman who has crossed the English Channel twice. First in 1989 and second in 1999. So 2 times she has crossed the English Channel. First woman to become first woman to be to become the president of United Nations General Assembly was. Okay, so first woman, यहाँ पे who होता तो ज़्यादा, who became the president of United Nations General Assembly was Madeleine Albright, Kim Campbell, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, or none of the above. The right answer to that is option C, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. So Vijay Lakshmi Pandit was the first woman to become the president of the United Nations General Assembly. Okay, knowing something more about it. So Vijay Lakshmi Pandit was the first woman to be elected as the president of the United Nations General Assembly. Okay, in 1953. Pandit was an Indian diplomat, politician, and freedom fighter. She was the 8th United Nations General Assembly president and the only Indian to hold the position. So she is the only Indian to hold this position. Okay, prominent prominent members of her family. Was a prominent member of the Nehru Gandhi family. Her brother was India's first prime minister. That means it's nothing but Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, so she was the sister of Jawaharlal Nehru, and her niece was the first female prime minister, that is Indira Gandhi. Okay, moving ahead to the next one. First woman chief minister of state in India was. So, who was the first woman chief minister in India? Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, Sarojini Naidu, Annie Besant, or Sucheta Kriplani? Right answer to that is option D, Sucheta Kriplani. Sucheta Kriplani was the first Indian woman, okay, or first woman in India to be a chief minister of a state. So, was an Indian freedom fighter and politician. She was the India's first female chief minister, serving as the head of the Uttar Pradesh government from 1963 to 1967. Next one, We have got who became the first woman Lok Sabha speaker in India. First woman Lok Sabha speaker in India. Who was the first woman? Annie Besant, Sucheta Kriplani, Meera Kumar, Vijayalakshmi Pandit. राइट आंसर टू दैट इज ऑप्शन सी, मीरा कुमार. ओके, आप सभी लोग जानते होंगे रिसेंटली लाइक शी हैड बीन द स्पीकर ऑफ द लोक सभा. सो मीरा कुमार, ओके, from a rural district of Bihar, India, is an Indian politician. She had been elected as to the Lok Sabha. She was elected unopposed as the first woman speaker of the Lok Sabha on June 3, 2009. Next one, who was the first US president to die in office? Who was the first in US president, okay, US president who died in office? George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, William Henry Harrison, or John Adams? Right answer to that is option C, that is William Henry Harrison. So, William Henry Harrison was the first US president who died in the office, and that was on 4th of April 1841. The first, the first US president to be assassinated was, who was the first US president who was assassinated? Abraham Lincoln, Richard Nixon, John Adams, or none of the above? Right answer to that is option A, Abraham Lincoln. So Abraham Lincoln was the and first to be assassinated and the 16th president of the United States. So the assassination took place on Good Friday, that was April 14, 1865, at Ford's Theater in Washington D.C. at about 11:15 p.m. Okay, moving ahead to the next one. The first and the only US president to resign from the office was, the first and the only president who resigned from the office. Who was he? John Adams, Richard Nixon, Thomas Jefferson, or none of the above? Right answer to that is option B, Richard Nixon. Richard Nixon was the first and the only US president to resign from the office. So, Nixon's second term ended early when he became the only US president to resign from the office as a result of the Watergate scandal. Moving on to the next one. Who was the first Indian batsman to complete 10,000 runs? Okay, first in Indian batsman who completed 10,000 runs. So, Lala Amarnath, Sunil Gavaskar, Sachin Tendulkar, or Rahul Dravid? Right answer to that is option B, Sunil Gavaskar. Sunil Gavaskar was the first Indian batsman to complete 10,000 runs. In March 1987, Sunil Gavaskar became the first player to cross 10,000 runs mark in test during a match against Pakistan. Who became the first Indian cricketer to score a triple century? ये क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी हमने किया हुआ है. ओके, सो आई सपोज इट वाज इन द थर्ड और द फोर्थ जनरल अवेयरनेस सीरीज जहां पे हमने क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी किया है. राइट आंसर टू दैट इज ऑप्शन डी, वीरेंद्र सहवाग. He has scored triple century twice. Okay, moving on to the next one. Who became the first Indian to win an individual Olympic gold? KD Jadhav, Abhinav Bindra, Sushil Kumar, Karnam Maleshwari. So, the first Indian to win an individual Olympic gold was none other than Abhinav Bindra. Okay, so Abhinav Bindra, the first Indian to win Olympic gold medal in 10-meter air rifle event at 2008 Beijing Olympics. Bindra is the first Indian to hold both the Olympic and the world titles for the men's 10-meter air rifle event, okay, which he achieved on 2008 and 2006. Moving on to the next one, who is the first Indian woman medal winner in Olympics? The first Indian woman individual in the individual series who is the first Indian woman to have won a medal in Olympics. S. Vijayalakshmi, Kamlajit Sandhu, Karnam Maleshwari, or none of the above. Right answer to that is option C, Karnam Maleshwari. Karnam Maleshwari was the first woman, okay, or is the first woman in the Indian history to win an Olympic medal. She won a bronze medal on September 19, 2000 to become the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal. She won the medal in women's 69 kg weightlifting championship. Okay, moving on to the next one. The first Indian to cross the English Channel was the first Indian to cross. It's not the Indian woman, but it is the Indian. Okay, English Channel पे अभी तक हमने तीन क्वेश्चन देख लिया. The first Indian woman, the one who crossed English Channel twice, and now it's the first Indian who crossed the English Channel was Mihir Sen, Santosh Yadav, Aarti Saha, or none of the above. Right answer to that is option A, Mihir Saha. Sorry, Mihir Sen. I'm so sorry for that. Mihir Sen. So Mihir Sen was the first Indian to swim across the English Channel from Dover to Calais in 1958. Next question. Which was the first newspaper published in India? First newspaper जो कि इंडिया में पब्लिश हुआ था. The Hindu, Bengal Gazette, Samachar Darpan, Uddant, Martand. Right answer to that is option B, Bengal Gazette. So, so it is also known as the Hickey's Bengal Gazette. Okay, so it was the first published Indian newspaper, which was published in Calcutta in 1780. Founder of this newspaper was James Augustus Hickey, an Irishman who also served as the paper writer and editor. Also known as the original Calcutta General Advertiser. Okay, so this paper was also known as the original Calcutta General Advertiser, and the publishing date was from 1780 to 1782. So just for 2 years, this paper was like being published. उसके बाद में बंद हो गया ये. But it was the first Indian newspaper to be published. Moving on to the next one. The first post office in India was established at. Where was the first general post office in India established? Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, or Allahabad? Right answer to that is option A, Kolkata. Kolkata was the first place where the General Post Office of India was established. Next, the first postal stamp in India was issued in 1855, 1853, 1857, or 1852. Right answer to that is option D, 1852. So the first postal stamp in India was issued on July 1, 1852 in the Sindh district. Now Sindh is nothing but the Sindh that we had in India and which is now in Pakistan. So based upon the name Sindh, the Skind or the Sindh district, the first postal stamp in India was published on July 1, 1852. So the Sindh district Jock was the name of the first adhesive postage stamp in Asia, issued in 1852. Next. In India, radio transmission service was started at Kolkata and Mumbai in 1927, 1866, 1933, or 1874. The right answer to this question is option A, 1927. So the radio transmission service in India, okay, at Kolkata and Mumbai was started at in 1927. So Indian Broadcast Company IBC, Bombay station inaugurated by Lord Irwin, the Viceroy of India, and in on August 26, 1927, Calcutta station of IBC was inaugurated. Next question. The first television center of India was established in 1959 at Kolkata, Bengaluru, New Delhi, or Chennai. Right answer to that is option C. The first television center of India was established at New Delhi. Okay, so it was established at New Delhi on September 15, 1959. Okay, inauguration. The Delhi Doordarshan Center was inaugurated by Dr. Rajendra Prasad, the first president of independent India. The programs that were broadcasted was based upon health, traffic, citizen duties and rights. And the first television program on Doordarshan was Krishi Darshan, which was aired on 26 January 1967, the longest running program on Indian television, and covers agriculture, providing information to the farmers about the modern farming methods and government schemes. Next, the colored program of on television was started on 1980, 1986, 1982, or 1974. Right answer to that is option C, 1982. So, on 25th of April 1982, India embarked a journey that would forever change the television and the entertainment landscape. So, from 1982 the color TV broadcast was started. Okay, moving on to the next one. Which was the first Indian satellite launched? ये भी शायद से हमने लास्ट कोई किसी जनरल अवेयरनेस में किया है कि फर्स्ट इंडियन सैटेलाइट कौन सा था. Aryabhatta Rohini InSat 1A InSat 2A. Right answer to that is option A, Aryabhatta. So Aryabhatta was the first Indian satellite, the spacecraft named after the famous astronomer and the mathematician that is Aryabhatta. So it was completely designed and fabricated in India and launched by the Soviet Cosmos 3M rocket from Kasputin Yar on 19 April 1975. Okay, so it was launched with the help of the Russian technology and their rocket, Soviet Cosmos 3M rocket, at from Kasputin Yar on April 19, 1975. So these were all the 25 questions for the day, as well as इसके अलावा और भी 4 lectures publish हो चुके हैं. If you haven't watched that lectures, so please go ahead and watch those lectures as well, because that will be really useful for you. And GK bundle तो already release कर ही दिया है. If at all anyone is interested, you can go to the link down in the description below and can purchase and enroll yourself. और व्हाट्सएप और टेलीग्राम ज्वाइन नहीं किया तो उसको भी ज्वाइन कर लेना. साथ में चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया सब्सक्राइब भी कर देना. Meet you in the next lecture. Till then, take care and goodbye.